Good belly laugh or magical leprechaun approved smoke session. I was wondering what the fuck this would be. Alright, so today's been a shit day. Started off with a panic attack. Put my fucking gun away. Apparently I left the bullet there. Yeah, Mickey made me some cards and I'm supporting small business. I know that happiness isn't there as much as it should be, but you know, I do care. Loki, I'm like this because my dad gave me a gift for Christmas one time and I accidentally ripped it. You know, it's like a little airplane thing. Shoot my ass out. I made me feel like shit. So now I always take care to open up gifts. I hope that's okay. Oh shit. The fucking 4-leaf clover and shit. It's got some like scientist bong elf clover guy just ripping it up, guys. Just ripping it up. Man, he's got life is better when you're laughing. It is. It is. What else is here? Need a real personal letter. Hey there, Delmar. Fasten your seatbelt and prepare for a double sticker extravaganza that's about to take off. Why two, you ask? Well, life is always better in pairs, isn't it? Like peanut butter and jelly. Batman and Robin, or in your case, a grinning leprechaun with a bong and an uplifting motto. Fuck yes. Where's my bong at? I gotta strike a pose just for you, mate. I probably should like this bitch. But, you know, it's been a bad day. This one's for you. I ain't been taking my meds where I'm supposed to, man. Thank you. Because of this, bro. And this. Thank you. I'm gonna hit another one for you, bro. Thank you, Mickey. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Anyway, yes, you read that right. Leprechaun with a bong and uplifting model. Facts. And no, we haven't been hitting the leprechaun's bong ourselves. Definitely not. Nah, never. I would never go puff that. Nah, I wouldn't go hit the bong with that leprechaun. Not this guy. He's far too cool for all that. That'll be the best night of my fucking life. And Mickey, I'm dragging you with me. Nigga, you'll match the leprechaun pop so hard. So let's start off with this first sticker. A jolly leprechaun kicking back, enjoying some of his lucky green. He's living his best life with a bong in one hand and a pot of not gold but weed in the other. Facts. This little green dude is the embodiment of carefree relaxation. It is all about sending out those good vibes. He's more than just a symbol in Irish folklore. He's a beacon of chillness, living proof that sometimes we just need to take a step back, let loose, enjoy the simple pleasures in life. Like a good belly laugh or a magical leprechaun approved smoke session. I was wondering what the fuck this would be. And it's encouragement for me. I was thinking encouragement for other people. You actually wrote some encouragement for me. I asked him to write this shit for True Self, and yeah, thank you, Mickey. Thank you. Now, on to sticker number dos. Life is better when you're laughing, it declares. Holy shit. Life is better when we're laughing, it declares. And it's true, laughter is the best medicine after all. It's the universal laugh of joy, a trumpet blast in the face of adversity. Life will throw its punches, but as long as you can laugh, you can fight. Remember? What the fuck? This is about other people, dude. I can laugh. Laugh so much the paper's a little wet, you know? It's a universal laugh of joy. Life will throw its punches, but as long as you can laugh, you can fight anything. Remember, every chuckle, every giggle is a victory. It's your way of saying, hey world, can't get me down. Wow. Yeah. These stickers are more than just... These stickers are more than just adhesive pieces of art no more. They're a celebration of you, your resilience, your journey. They're your reminders to take a leaf out of the Leprechaun's book to relax and laugh a little, or a lot more, and to keep pushing forward one shuffle at a time. Yeah, I knew they weren't just pieces of art. I was crying so far before that. Yeah, thank you, dude. Real shit. I need to take my meds today. I didn't do that, and I was having panic. I had a panic attack earlier, and my panic attacks aren't loud or anything. It's just this impending sense of doom in my heart just is pounding and just fucking crumbling. Delmar the man, the myth, the legend. These stickers are just for you. Wear them with pride and let them speak your truth. Your journey is inspiring, and these stickers are a tribute to that journey. So here's to you, Delmar. May your days be filled with laughter, your heart be light. May you continue to be the resilient warrior you are. Yours in laughter and resilience, Mickey Trevitt. Damn. Well, fuck. Thanks, bro. That right there, guys, is the importance of good leadership. Yeah, that right there. If you like the way I teach about mental health content, like, subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell so that you don't miss out on more content like this. And remember, if you ever find yourself in chaos, it's in that chaos that you'll find yourself, and that no candle loses its flame from lighting another. Peace, family.